ഈയിടെ നാട്ടിൽ പോയപ്പോൾ we had been to this Punnamada Resort. It's in Alappuzha district in Kerala. It's a serene and peaceful resort. Punnamada കായലിൻ്റെ തീരത്താണ്, so you can spend a day with your friends and family. See some charming houseboats. There's a boat training institute opposite, so you can have a look at it.
പിന്നെ ഇങ്ങനെയൊന്നും അല്ലടാ.
Punnamada ലേക്കിൻ്റെ ഭംഗിയൊക്കെ ആസ്വദിച്ച് you can sit back and relax and enjoy your day with your friends and family. You can wander around the resort, take some memorable pictures, and then you can make your visit a memorable visit. So this resort, I see it's already being visited by many celebrities and big shots. I see testimonials from our cricketers, Dhoni, Sehwag and Rahul Gandhi. So next time when you're here, you can definitely visit this place. Thank you all. Bye-bye.